C4 was the only series of Corvette that we didn't offer product for. And we went to work on it. It's got a lot of things going for it. These cars are relatively light. They have a short wheelbase, so they're great autocross cars. Low center of gravity. You can put any kind of horsepower you want to in them. The suspension is actually pretty good on them. They did have a reputation for riding very poorly, and we were able to fix all that. So we've really got a good package in a couple different levels. A street grip package that continues to use the OEM transverse composite leafs. We just upgrade the shock absorbers and the sway bars and the bushings. And then when that was all finalized and refined, we took the stock transverse composite leafs out and built a coilover package for it. And we were able to make some rear suspension geometry improvements, some spring rate and shock improvements and sway bar improvements. And I got to tell you, with just a little bit of money and effort, the results are really stunning. It's a very good package now. This car is quite the little beast on the track. And I think we've done something right with this C4 Corvette. I'm very proud of it.